Are you tired of the busy MG Marg in Gangtok? I'll show you 3 offbeat homestays where you escape the crowds and live like a local. These places cost much less than city hotels but give you village life, mountain views, and experiences you'll never forget. First, Penzong Homestay. This gem is in Rangka village about 16 kilometers from MG Marg. For just 1,700 rupees per person, you get cozy rooms with attached bathrooms and endless mountain views. The homestay has 8 rooms and one even has a kitchen if you want to cook. The owner, Mr. Bhutia, treats every guest like family. He serves organic food made from vegetables grown in his garden. You'll wake up to the sight of Gangtok city below and mountains all around. The homestay is close to paragliding spots, so you'll see colorful parachutes floating over the valley. What makes it special is the village life. You can join guided walks, meet local farmers, and learn about their traditions. Evenings are spent around a wood fire, listening to stories of Sikkim's history. For 1,700 rupees, you get 3 meals, great views, and cultural experiences that luxury hotels can't give you. Check the link in the description. Search the homestay name and book to get discount. Second, Rangka Village Homestay. This retreat sits on Rangka Road with a big terrace looking out at rice fields and snow peaks. Rooms cost about 1,406 rupees per night plus tax. You get cottage-style rooms with private bathrooms, air conditioning, kitchenettes, kettles, and cookware. The host, Reshma, built this homestay by mixing old Sikkimi style with modern comfort. She serves customized home-cooked meals that taste like what grandmothers make. The homestay is just 10 minutes from Ridge Flower Park and 3.4 kilometers from the Himalayan Zoological Park. You'll wake up to terraced fields and mountain peaks. In the evenings, you can enjoy cultural programs with local songs and dances. You can also visit tea gardens and learn how cardamom and ginger are grown. For 1,406 rupees per night, you get authentic village life and views most tourists never see. Third, Arthur's Inn Urban Homestay. This forest homestay is in Sungawa, just above Tamangumpa Monastery and only 1.5 kilometers from MG Marg. Rooms cost about 1,500 rupees per night. You get private bathrooms, work desks, and access to a full kitchen. The homestay has 6 double rooms with forest and mountain views. The host Arthur comes from a Lepcha family and shares amazing stories about Sikkim's culture. He serves organic food cooked by his family using old recipes. The homestay is surrounded by pine forests where you can hear birds and streams. What makes it unique is its location above a monastery where monks chant every morning. Hiking trails start right from the homestay and lead to waterfalls. Arthur also arranges bicycle and walking tours of nearby villages. You'll have free Wi-Fi, airport transfers, and taxi services. For 1,500 rupees, you get peace in the forest while still being close to Gangtok.